What are some of the sweetest sweet corn? Are there any bicolor varieties? And this is Mark from Bethel Springs, Tennessee.
Sweetest corn.
Sweet corn.
Oh, there's a lot of good varieties out there.
It is.
And there are a lot of bicolor varieties out there. You know, sweet corn has a rating, an SU, an SE, or SH2.
Okay.
You know what those mean?
Okay.
SU is sugary.
Yeah, I knew that's sugary.
SE is sugar enhanced.
Okay.
And SH2 is super sweet.
Okay.
You know, I used to think peaches and cream was just one variety of, and it may be. Peaches and cream may be a variety, but there are a lot of bicolor sweet corns out there. Ambrosia is one. Serendipity.
Huh. That's another one that comes to my obsession.
Okay.
Yeah, that's bicolor. I'm familiar with.
Multi-sweet is a good one. American Dream.
I heard American Dream.
American Dream has won some awards.
Yeah, heard of
that. I think the multi-sweet and American Dream are bicolor.
Bicolor.
Old Silver Queen is not bicolor, but it's probably a parent of some of these.
It's good.
These are hybrids. These are hybrids, but yeah, you got a lot of different varieties out there.
Okay, a lot of different varieties.
For
For the sweet corn, right?
Sweetest sweet corn out there, and you know, the super sweet. There's a couple of varieties I have here on those. The Vision MXR is just a yellow, I think, but they have one bicolor, and it's called Honey and Pearl.
Honey and Pearl.
Yeah, so that's a super sweet bicolor variety. So you may want to check that out.
Yeah, check that out, boy. That sounds good. Great names, right?
You're going to have to go to a lot of trouble to keep the raccoons out.
Oh, I'm sure.
Electric fences will do it, though.
Okay, electric fences. All right.
Short, don't have to be tall.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.